Третий класс, английский язык. Домашнее задание. Страница 28-29. English. Spotlight 3. Homework page 28-29. Good morning, boys and girls. We begin our English lesson. My name is Olga and I am your English teacher today. And now we must repeat sound exercise. Repeat after me. What's your name? Where are you from? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? How long have you been here? What's your name? Where are you from? How long have you been here? My dear friends, we begin our work. Open your books, please. Page number 28. Exercise number 1. Read and choose. This is my big brother. His name is Ron. Прочитаем местоимение. I, my. You, your. He, his. She, her. It, its. We, our. You, your. They, their. What's this? It's a photo of my family. Look, this is my brother. What's his name? Ron. He's 10. Who's this? Oh, that's my sister, Pam. Is this your dad? Yes, he is. His name is Dan. Who's she? She's my mom. Her name is Anna. Who are they? My grandma and my grandpa. Their names are Lara and Bob. Boys and girls, we must do exercise number 2. Look and say, this is my big sister. Her name is Karen. Посмотри и расскажи. This is my big sister. Her name is Karen. This is my grandma. Her name is Anita. This is my grandpa. His name is Aaron. This is my mom. Her name is Stella. This is my dad. His name is Winston. This is my little brother. His name is Simon. This is my pet. Its name is Bubbles. Boys and girls, open your books, please. Page number 29. Exercise number 3. Listen and repeat. A. A happy family is in the hat. Take a cake. Kate. Послушайте и прочитайте. A happy family is in the hat. Take a cake, Kate. My dear friends, do exercise number 4. Copy the table and complete it. Name, cake, flag. Late, lamp, bag. Table, grandma, baby, nanny. Скопируй таблицу и заполни ее. A. name, cake, late, table, baby, a flag, lamp, bag, grandma, nanny. My dear friends, we must do exercise number 5. Let's play. Давайте поиграем. Who's she? She is my mom. What's your name? Her name's Anna. Who's she? She is my grandma. What's your name? Her name's Lara. Who's he? He's my dad. What's his name? His name's Dan. Who's he? He's my grandpa. What's his name? His name's Bob. Who's she? She's my sister. What's your name? Her name's Pam. Who's he? He's my brother. What's his name? His name's Ron. My dear friends, your work is good. The lesson is over. Goodbye.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
Spring is green, summer is bright, autumn is yellow, winter is white.
My dear friends, repeat season of the year. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Лето, summer. It is summer. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is summer. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Зима, winter. It is winter. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is winter. Look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Весна, spring. It is spring. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is spring. My dear friends, look at the picture, please. What season do you see? Осень, autumn. It is autumn. What is your favorite season of year? My favorite season is autumn. The year is divided into 4 seasons: winter, spring, summer, and autumn. Repeat the poem about season of the year. Spring is green. Summer is bright. Autumn is yellow. Winter is white. My dear friends, and now we must repeat months of the year. Repeat after me. December, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November.